Ever wondered who's behind the complex databases that power big corporations? The answer is Oracle developers. These digital wizards make sense of vast amounts of data and create systems that help businesses thrive. They're the invisible architects of the digital world, building bridges of information that connect us all. In this video, we'll delve into the role of an Oracle developer, exploring the responsibilities, skills, and experiences needed for this exciting career. We'll touch on the context of the job, the team dynamics, and the tools of the trade. We'll also tackle the challenges that come with the role, and of course the perks and benefits that make it all worthwhile. We'll also discuss the opportunities for growth in this field, and how this role can be a stepping stone to other related careers. So if you have an eye for detail and a knack for solving complex problems, this could be your calling. Now that we've piqued your interest, let's delve into the specifics of being an Oracle developer. A role that demands both technical prowess and creative problem solving. As an Oracle developer, your core responsibility is to create and plan databases. This isn't just about designing them, but also ensuring they're secure, efficient, and meet the needs of your organization. You'll be the one to develop, implement, and optimize the databases, making sure they're always performing at their peak. But the job doesn't stop there. You'll also be tasked with troubleshooting any issues that arise, which could range from technical glitches to complex performance problems. This is where your problem-solving skills come into play. In terms of skills and experiences, knowledge of SQL and PL/SQL is a must. These are the languages you'll be using to interact with the databases. You'll also need to have a good understanding of Oracle database management. This means knowing how to maintain the integrity and security of the data, and how to optimize the performance of the database. The context for this job varies. You could be part of a team in a large organization, or you could be the lone Oracle developer in a smaller company. Regardless, you'll be working with a variety of tools, including Oracle's own suite of software. It's a challenging role, but one that comes with a great sense of achievement. But what's it really like to be an Oracle developer? Let's find out. Every day brings a new challenge in the life of an Oracle developer. One moment, you could be designing databases to store vast amounts of information. The next, you're programming interfaces for users to interact with that data. It's a role that demands creativity, problem-solving skills, and a keen attention to detail. But it's not all about the code. Communication is key in this role. You'll work closely with a team of other professionals, sharing ideas and solving problems together. The tools of the trade, Oracle's own suite of software, of course, but also you'll need to be adept with SQL, Java, and perhaps even a dash of Python. The challenges, they're plentiful. From tight deadlines to complex data structures, you'll need to stay on your toes. But with challenge comes reward. Oracle developers are well compensated for their expertise, the salary is competitive, and the work schedule is often flexible, allowing for a healthy work-life balance. And let's not forget about the opportunities for growth. As an Oracle developer, you're in a prime position to advance your career. You could move into a senior developer role, become a database administrator, or even a project manager. The possibilities are vast. If you're looking for a role where you're continually learning and growing, this could be it. Intrigued? Here's what you can do next. Start by delving deeper into the world of Oracle development. There are countless resources available, both online and offline, to help you grasp the ins and outs of this dynamic profession. Look for online courses, workshops, and even mentorship programs that can give you a solid foundation in Oracle development. Don't shy away from exploring blogs, forums, and social media groups where professionals in the field share their experiences and insights. Next, you might want to consider gaining practical experience. Internships or part-time jobs can provide a first-hand look at the day-to-day reality of an Oracle developer. Remember, every bit of experience counts. Lastly, keep the conversation going. Share your thoughts, experiences, or queries in the comments below. Your shared knowledge could be the key that unlocks someone else's potential. So are you ready to embark on a rewarding career as an Oracle developer? Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into exciting careers like this one.